Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by defining exactly what the index will cover and why it matters. This saves wasted work later. Once decided, gather source paths from the project root and normalize names so lookups are consistent. Now pick a format, JSON for portability, SQLite for queries, or an inverted text index for fast search, and scaffold a simple writer. Make sure to create a deterministic ID scheme for entries, so future updates are simple and atomic. You now ingest content. Parse each file to extract the keys your index requires, ID, titles, tags, timestamps, and map them to index fields. Once done, normalize values, lowercasing where needed, trimming whitespace and unifying path separators and date formats so queries behave predictably. Then write in batches. Use staging files or transactions to avoid corrupting the index. If you use incremental updates, make them idempotent so reruns don't duplicate entries. You finish by validating the index, run checksum and row count checks, and execute representative queries to confirm results match expectations. Then optimize, compact storage, create secondary lookup maps, or build caches for hot queries to improve latency. If something breaks, enable detailed logs, take a snapshot of the current index state, and roll back to that snapshot. This way you can safely debug without data loss. Finally, schedule periodic rebuilds or health checks to keep the index reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.